wanted to get the right career leaving the military. They say majority of people transitioning accept possibly the first job that they're presented with, and they might not be happy with that and they leave that job. I joined the Army Reserves as an aviation maintenance technician. All told, I've been in the Army for 33 years, but active duty 30 years. With the help of RecruitMilitary, I've been able to secure this position, and I'm looking at the long term. So my new job is with Cascades Tissue Group, and I am the quality manager at both the Wagram, North Carolina and Rockingham, North Carolina facilities. I've only been here 4 weeks, and it seems like I've been able to grasp the industry and also start making strides towards improving quality here. What RecruitMilitary did was take my resume, my experiences, and they actually also networked for other jobs I didn't even consider myself for. I never would have considered myself for this position here. I was looking more for production management, safety management, and project management. RecruitMilitary looked out for me in that aspect. It's almost like a dating app or a website where they connect you to the right company. RecruitMilitary assisted with a holistic view of my career and my resume and make sure that we would be a good fit. It was a quick process. From when I found out about Cascades until the point I had an interview was possibly a week. I did not have to hardly do any work. I had several job opportunities presented to me, and the transition was just seamless. It was so easy working with RecruitMilitary.